Well,
Gonna hit the bar.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
What do you mean it's right? It's to the right and left. What are you trying to say? It's to the right and left. That touches them. Okay. You know, that touches them. That touches them. Okay, Pat. See, look how sticky that ball is. Nine, 10. Look at this. Let's go! Let's go!
Well done, breakout.
Like every time I played, I forget about everything. I just think about what to do next.
How beautiful the game is. What makes like the passes, the shots, the moves everyone does to get through and score an amazing goal.
I love soccer because I get to travel all around the world and it brings the world together. My favorite part of soccer is the passion and emotion in the game. When there's like a last minute goal and the excitement, or when you get scored on and the sadness, and all the feelings you get in the rush.
What I love about soccer is that it brings us all together and makes us be passionate. It takes our mind off anything. We just go out there and play what we love.
I love soccer because how hard we have to work to get good results, and once we do work hard, we get like very good results, and we're happy about it.
Because it doesn't matter where you're from or what language you speak, soccer brings everyone together.
Well, it's so passionate and it brings everyone together, and you can express yourself in so many ways, and you just play for your team, and there's so much pride involved, and it's just really good.
I love how it brings people together and how it's just like it's so much fun to do and how it brings all the countries together.
Probably to come up and play with the boys. Just always have fun with them. Yeah, just enjoy the game.
What I love about soccer is I get to hang out with my friends playing the beautiful game and that it brings people together.
I love that whenever I play soccer, I can never get tired of it, and playing with my teammates will never grow old.
I love my team because I've been with them since I was like 5, and it's just been great this whole time.
What I love about soccer is when you're playing, you can forget everything and just worry about playing your best.